Before I give an update on coronavirus, I do want to briefly address the impact of serious storms across Scotland last night. There has been significant travel disruption and efforts are underway across the country to restore services and roads to normal. However, of most urgent concern is an extremely serious incident on the rail line west of Stonehaven, where a ScotRail passenger train derailed earlier this morning. The emergency services are currently on site and a major incident has been declared. I have just come off a call with Network Rail and the emergency services, and although details are still emerging, I am afraid to say that there are early reports of serious injuries. The Scottish Government Resilience Room is operational and I will be convening a SCOR meeting with partner organisations as soon as possible this afternoon. Updates will of course be provided as they become available. However, my immediate thoughts, and I'm sure the thoughts of everyone across the chamber, are with all those involved in this incident.